Yo, guys, welcome. Yo. How's it going, everyone? Let's see who's here, guys. Drop a comment. Good to see you all. Jamie, welcome, man. Good to see you. Yeah, I mean, I finished the day yesterday up in profit after taking 2 trades. I took 2 trades yesterday, that's it. 1 win, 1 loss. The loss I took on stream, unfortunately, but it is what it is. But we'll see what today brings. I mean, it's been a profitable week overall so far. Let's see if we can carry it on. I mean, we do... One second, let me get it back up. Where are we? Yeah, Wednesday. Yeah, we do have some USD news, but later on today, like 7 o'clock. So, Tom, how's it going, man? Good to see you. Yo, ES, welcome, bro. SS, welcome, bro. Yeah, guys, drop a comment, drop a like. Let's see who's here. Start breaking these charts down in a second, okay? I'm interested to see if we can take some of these highs out on gold and Nasdaq, especially if we can start creating some support here. I mean, we've got a decent level here on gold. If we can start creating some resistance, here, I'd like a breakout of this new range that's getting formed, to then trade higher. Okay, that would be the plan for me. Okay. Especially on gold, some good targets above and below now. These lows have been created. There was actually some good sells which the guys in the mentorship took after the breakout of that level. So let's see if we can get a breakout here. Yo, D, good to see you, man. Welcome. Afternoon, Joe Tris, welcome. Good to see you. Cheers for the lights, guys. I appreciate you all. Appreciate you all. But yeah, it's really as simple as that on gold. I think this 15 is going to create some resistance potentially, and we've already created this support. So I think for gold, it's just a waiting game to break out of this support and resistance level, and then that's going to be the direction. You know, if we do break below here, I really do think we're going to collapse. And if we do start getting back above this level, I'm going to be looking for continuation buys, okay? And yeah, this is the 15-minute, mate. 15-minute here, yeah. Trading through news. Yeah, I trade I've trade through news, yeah. 15 and 30-minute mainly is my time frame. Yeah, 15-minute and 30 is my main time frames. So yeah, if we can get a 15 breakout here, I wouldn't mind taking some buys. Even like a nice 30 closure. 30 closure above some of this support and resistance here. That could be the continuation here on gold. That is what I'm going to be looking for. What do I wait for? I wait for breakouts, mate. Yeah, breakouts of ranges. Hit TP, is it valid? I mean, the guys in the mentorship actually took, where are we? Guys in the mentorship took the sells, I think, on gold for a wick fill to the downside. Even these sells here were quite clean after that sort of breakout, but I didn't really take anything after I saw the London ranges. And after we're at all-time highs, I didn't even look at the market. Have I took any trades today? No, nothing, mate. No, I'm still waiting here, guys. Morning, Joe. Tom, good to see you. Gold went mental, gain for Asia. Yeah, I mean, huge push. We're just super bullish on gold, so I would like to keep buying it. And the only way I could buy gold is above this support here. Above this support, and then I'm going to be looking for more buys. It's like a 30-minute range, really. Where did I learn to trade? I've been trading for like 7 years now, bro. Yeah, I've been trading for 7 years, profitably about 2.5. But yeah, I was like, I lost for like 3 years, and then I was in that break even, losing a bit, winning a bit for a couple of years or a year and a half, and then consistently making money, 2.5 years ish. Yeah, I started when I was 18. I'm now 25. So yeah, I've been here quite a while. It was Nas this morning, mate. 26128. Let's have a look at Nas this morning. Oh yeah, this morning here, the half risk buys. Yeah, these were valid. To be honest with you, some of the guys took the longs here as well this morning. This half risk buy into this level. That was actually a valid trade, mate. Yeah. Came into some support, rejected, closed bullish, continuation. I would have probably just taken TP here at like a 3-to-1. But I wasn't on the charts here. I was watching all-time high range, and then I came off at like 9 o'clock. I thought I'd just come back for US session. Currently on Nasdaq, I think if we can break back above this support, we're likely to push higher. Currently, Nasdaq range is something like this. So I think if I can get either a gold breakout on the 30, I'd like to buy it, just to continue the hourly momentum pushing higher. 4 hourly could flip and continue pushing higher. Am I going to take a trade? Yeah, I normally do. I'd say I take 1 to 2 trades every stream. On average, 1 to 2. Sometimes I'll take 0. Sometimes I'll take 2. Maybe even 3. But on average, 1. Yeah, 1 or 2. What did we do? We took, so far this week, we took a 150 tick win on Monday. We took a 60 tick loss yesterday. And nothing yet today on stream. So we're up about 90, 100 ticks. Which isn't bad. See what the rest of the week brings. We'll see. From Uzbekistan. Nice, man. Nice. What's your entry point? I need a breakout, mate. Get a breakout, then I can look to trade. Cheers for the follows as well, guys. I appreciate it. There's a lot of accounts that aren't me that are pretending to be me. So make sure you drop me a follow on here, okay? And we're almost at 20k as well, so I appreciate it. Have you ever used Trader Scale? No. We got a couple of red files on for it. Yeah, we have later on, bro. We have later on. Dean, good to see you, man. I wouldn't trade today. Why, bro? Apple user, do you mean start with me or just start on your own? What do you mean? With me? If you want to apply for the mentorship, do you mean? If you want to apply, the link to apply, go to the TikTok bio, bro. There's a link there. When you click that link, it will say in that link, mentorship application. Click mentorship application and you can apply there, okay? It takes like a minute to apply. 1 to 2 minutes to apply and you're good to go. But yeah, that's the thing. If you want to work with me one-on-one, just go and apply. It takes like a minute and we'll be in touch with you. But yeah, let's see if we can get this breakout here. Is trading your full... Yeah, I've been trading full-time for 2.5 years, mate. Yeah. I was trading full-time for like a year and a half before I even started like... Before I even started like trading live on here. Or on YouTube or making videos and stuff. So I like kind of proved it to myself before I started even showing anybody. Like anybody who actually knows me personally knows that I was traveling like Asia, Europe, and trading. Just traveling and trading for like 1.5 years, 2 years on my own. And I did that from trading. Did that from trading. Yeah, it's very hot in this office today. I don't know why it's so hot. Radiators aren't even on. It's boiling. Maybe we can get a breakout here. Let's have a look. Nasdaq. I'm just gonna react to Nasdaq closures. How many funded accounts? Right. How many and what? I have currently got I don't know. I've got like 4 with Top Step, 1 with Top 1, which is a live account. Maybe like 8 or 9 that are like actual funded accounts that I can get payouts from. And they're with like Lucid, Top 1, Top Step, different ones. How much do I charge for mentorship? It depends. It depends what you need. Kenzie, good to see you, bro. My friend. If you want the mentorship, just go and apply. The application is in the TikTok bio. But like I say, I can't tell you how much it is for certain people because people need different things. Ashton, good to see you, bro. Welcome. Total beginner from scratch. From scratch. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what sort of level you're at. I work with people all different levels. People who've been working like 5 years. People who've been trading 5 years, 1 year, straight from nothing. It doesn't matter. The sort of the process is the same. I need to understand where you are, what sort of level you're at, and then we can go from there. That's all basically on the first call that we do. How are we, bro? Good, Ashton. Tradeless today, but we're good. Right. Sweet. I have made a killing on silver this month. Looking to invest in something else. Any advice? Oh, here we go. One sec, guys. I might take a little half for a sell here on Nasdaq. I'm just gonna give this like another 30 seconds. I'm gonna put a sell stop in here. I'm only gonna use like small risk just because it has been quite choppy today. What's the risk on there? I can't see it because of the chart. 200. It's not really that bad to be fair. I'm gonna use 4 micros here. I'm gonna put a sell stop in here on Nasdaq. Yeah, if I execute a position, guys, it'll be on here. This is not an execution though, it's just a sell stop, so I won't be executed until it reflips bearish. I'm just gonna look to get these lows out down here. I mean, if it pushes up into like this area, I'm just gonna cancel the pending order. But the order looks like this. It'd be something like this because I'm using low risk. I'm just gonna have that slightly bigger stop loss in. I'm looking for this to flip down, reflip bearish, and continue pushing. If it re-breaks this last 15 high, then that's going to be me cancelling the order, and I just don't take the position. Simple. Looks like we're going to cancel it already. Sweet. Order cancelled. That's how you prevent fake outs, guys. Preventing fake outs. There you go. That's all. That's the only thing you need to watch to prevent fake outs. If you can just rewatch that 3 times, you'll prevent fake outs like at least 30 to 40% of them. Gold, let's have a look. Yeah, gold's flipping bullish as well. Yeah, I wanted them buys. I didn't even see. Did gold bottom wick though? If gold bottom wicked, I'd be fuming. No, it didn't really, did it? Yeah, it did. Gold bottom wicked as well. That would have been the trade. Too focused on Nasdaq. The trade would have been here. That's annoying. Yeah, that would have been the trade, guys. That's a miss, unfortunately, on my part. But yeah, that would have been the position. Yeah, I saw it was valid on Nasdaq and valid on gold, so it's one of them. I mean, it would have been it's a trade. This would have been the trade. We'll just forward test it. I can't execute it now, so we'll just forward test it. But yeah, that would have been the position. I'd have been all over that if I saw it, and that would have been a TP. That's annoying. Bottom wick perfectly as well. But it doesn't matter. I'll just wait for the next, like, 15 and then look for the entry then. Look at the hourly as well. Perfect hourly entry. I think this has legs to push now. Especially if it re-breaks. And the thing with gold here now, I'd need it to re-break this high. This is where gold can mess about a little bit. Near this high is where it can mess about because it's starting to take orders of anybody selling. The thing for gold now is to break and push. And if it breaks up into here, then it's going to hit all-time highs. Very likely. Very, very likely. Just with years and years of watching gold for like 7 years now, you understand what it's going to do. This was a very valid impulse entry that I was too focused on Nasdaq, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Perfect to the plan. Perfect to the plan. Look at that. Broke above that level we mentioned right at the start. Bottom wicked. Pushed higher. Break even now. Next partial would be here. Final TP would be them highs. Simple as that. That's your day done. That's literally your day done on one trade. 80 ticks. Caught that beauty. Perfect. Guys, put a thumbs up if you caught this. I want to see every Discord member in the mentorship saying that they've taken this. Nice. Yo, Duncan, good to see you, mate. Yeah, just like I said, guys, we've taken them highs. That's the make or break now. I'd want to see gold fly. If it can break them back above here, it should push. Yo, bro, what is this? Bye-bye. That is a spam, isn't that? Wow. Who is it? Let me see if it's a bot. Let me have a look. Go to channel. Hardworking king. That was a spam. I think I entered too late. Yeah, if you miss the move, you don't take the trade. It's as simple as that. Like, you don't enter a position because, like, for me, this position was here. I still didn't enter it because I don't care about a missed move. A missed move isn't valid to me. I either enter where I should have done or I don't enter at all. TP, these highs up here, mate. All-time highs. I mean, the 15-minute really has to push now. If the 15 doesn't re-break its own high, the likelihood of going to all-time highs is very, very low for this session. Or for the next hour or two. Because we've taken this liquidity now. This is where we could sort of range or pull back. Yeah, we got news in like 6 hours. It's ages off. How do I take partials on TradingView? You have to like click the order and then it'll say close partials. You have to like right click, close partials, if that makes sense. I mean, guys in the mentorship, we'll do a full coaching call on trading view setup and stuff. Don't worry. In the next 1 to 2 weeks, we'll do a full coaching call on it. What's Nasdaq doing? Yeah, Nasdaq's not even. I can't believe that Nasdaq half risk, and I turned down a beautiful impulse on gold for like 100 ticks. Do I take trades directly on TradingView? It depends, mate. I have different prop firms with different setups. So TradingView, MT5 for personal, for my broker, my personal broker account. And I use like Project X as well for some other prop firms. Okay. Really depends on everything. This will probably be like a partials and break even trade anyway. But I mean, 100 ticks is crazy. I think it like, how many ticks profit would that have been? This little move is all you need. Look at that. Like 100 ticks. Ticks and pips are the same, mate. It's just an increment depending on if you're trading with futures or FX. People who trade FX use pips. People who trade futures normally tend to use ticks. Yeah, look at that price. Took them highs. I trade on breakouts. So you can see here, price broke out, bottom wick and pushed higher. 100 tick push. Yo, Paul, how's it going? Good to see you, man. Well, I enter the next entry for me would be the 30 closure. Or like a bearish closure here on Nasdaq to sell down. On the 15. You know, if this 15 closes bearish, then yeah. Paul. Good to see you. Paul in TikTok, Paul on YouTube. Why not? I trade the 30 and the 15. Whatever sets up best. Whatever sets up best. That would have been, yeah, that would have been break even anyway. Well, break even partial. Partials definitely would have been taken. Especially after that sort of push. But yeah, I mean, valid trade. Can't complain with that at all. Main thing I'm going to be watching now, guys, is this 15 closure on Nasdaq for potential sells. I think if we can close bearish here after taking and rejecting this level, the likelihood of us pushing down is quite high. That's the next watch, okay? We've got like 3 minutes to wait here. Yeah, guys, if you want to join the free Telegram is in the TikTok bio. Head over to the TikTok bio, click that link, and it'll say free Telegram in that link. You can join there, okay? Am I from the UK? Yes, I am. I am leaving the UK in how many days now? 7 days? 7 days. What broker do I use? User, drop me a DM. Drop me a message on here. I'll send you the name of the broker. Where am I going first? I'm going to Istanbul first. Yeah, for a few days. And then I might just like, I don't know, travel somewhere else. I don't know yet. No, my broker is 1 to 500. I've got max leverage. Probably the best broker for max leverage I use. Do you get signals in the Telegram? No, I don't give signals in any Telegram or anything. I do mentorship. Oh, the offshore? No, they're not. Gold? Let's look at gold. Ooh, yeah, gold. Gold could be nice. Rejecting from this sort of resistance as well. Yeah, they're regulated. Of course they're regulated. Give us a signal. Jesus, man. Begging. Can you trade with them in the UK? Yeah, I'm from the UK and I trade with them just fine. Been using them for like 4 years. Maybe 5 years now. Yeah, drop me a DM, bro. Drop me a DM. I'll get back to you today, hopefully. Half risk on gold? Potentially, Alex, bro. Yeah, potentially. Cheers for the likes as well, guys. YouTube guys smashing the likes. I appreciate you all. 20 smashed. What's my normal lot size? Like 4 to 5. Yeah, 4 to 5 lots. What's the use of the Telegram? To notify people if anything comes up. Any sort of like, I don't know, live events, in-person events, mentorship updates, stuff like that. Everything's there. How much did I deposit? I'm not going to tell you that, but I've deposited a lot over the years. Yeah, quite a lot. Am I from Newcastle? No, I'm not from Newcastle. I'm actually from near Manchester, about 25 minutes away from Manchester. Yeah, Nasdaq's looking good here. Nasdaq is looking good here, especially if we can break below this range. I'm going to be looking for them sells. Let me get on MNQ so I'm ready to take this. So yeah, I'm going to be looking to take some sells here on Nasdaq. And I'm going to be looking for this play down. If we can create a little bit of a top wick, then I'm going to be looking for like lower time frame. Let me get this order in. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's annoying. Wrong account. Always gets the wrong account up. One sec. Is it going to let us... Okay, there we go. Sweet. Stop loss is going to go on wherever the high is. I need to make sure it's the... I'm trading the accounts that are in profit. Because these account... It doesn't let you trade the account. It always puts your lowest account first. It's so annoying. There we go. Orders in. Hi, Joe. Mehmet, how's it going? Yeah, I'm looking for a flip and a bullish, bearish continuation down here. Obviously, stop loss is going to be up here. If we can reflip bearish. I mean, if we don't, we don't. All good. This will be my first trade today. Am I a Man United fan? No, I'm not. I mean, if we do close, but if we do continue pushing bearish here, sells are looking really clean here on Nasdaq. I would want to see the Nasdaq continue pushing down, maybe to fill a little bit of this range and then continue pushing down. Because like, look at what Nasdaq's done here. It's actually pushed up, taken liquidity, broke structure and broke levels to the downside. If this reflips bearish, continuation's down. If it re-breaks this on high, I'm just going to cancel my order because I've got a sell stop in here. I'm not executed into this. I'm only executed into this trade when it reflips bearish, just like before. It just prevents fake outs, guys, okay? We prevented a fake out before. We're preventing a fake out again. Like I say, if it comes up into this high, I'll cancel. Nah, it wasn't. It wasn't legacy. It was blanked out. It doesn't matter anyway. I mean, it's only 5. Something. It's like what? How much do I pay for these accounts? Like $500. It's like $500. It is what it is. It's not deep. You're a takeaway guy. Nice, man. Beautiful. What pairs? This is Nasdaq. Nasdaq. I don't know if you can see my order. It's in the market. This is my order, guys, on TikTok. You can clearly see that it's a sell stop. I'm not entered into this position yet. I'm going to actually cancel this order now. Let me cancel this order. Preventing fake out lesson today, guys. Serious. Serious. Do I do this full time? Yes, I do. Sent you a message? Yeah, I'll get back to you today, bro. I'll get back to you today. How much balance can support 4 lots? I don't know. I'd be trading like at least 100k. Yo, James, good to see you, man. Good to see you. I think gold looking for sells, but the 15 closure just wasn't strong enough. 15 closure just wasn't strong enough bearish for me to sell it. If anything, I mean, what's gold's range look like to me now? It looks something like this. Why did I cancel? Because it pushed up too much. I wanted it to push up, but then reflip bearish and continue pushing down, but it just instantly pushed up. Stop loss to risk to reward wasn't worth it. So it was a cancel. Yeah. Yeah, we had some guy here withdraw 25k yesterday in the community. 25k withdrawal. Well, prop firm withdrawal. Which is insane. That's what happens when you don't sort of switch strategies every 2 to 3 months. Most people just switch strategies every 2 to 3 months. Makes no sense. They'll see like a little win or a little bit of progress, but obviously you're trading a new strategy. It makes no sense. You're obviously going to feel good about yourself because you're starting a new strategy and you're learning new things. But trust me, when they get into that stage again where they're taking a few losses, they'll just look to the next best thing. Like if you go from learning, I don't know, ICT to fair value gaps to levels, support and resistance, every time you change, you're going to feel good about the new thing. And that is what keeps you switching strategies. You might take 1 or 2 wins with the new thing, but give it like 2 or 3 months and you're back in the same position because you keep getting wrecked because you've still not mastered patience and psychology. Always stick to the, yeah, exactly. Yo, Dre, good to see you, man. Welcome, bro. This is trading view, man. This is trading view. Shiny object syndrome. Definitely, man. Definitely. Is Gentleman John a scammer? Yes, definitely. He was in my community. I had to kick him for that reason. I had to kick him because he was like telling people that he can trade for them and stuff. Everything he learned was from me. That was the easiest yes ever. That's the only reason I remove people. Like, if they're messaging people and saying I can trade your account for you, I'm not having any of that. Especially if you're not profitable. Like, imagine just like thought it was dodgy, blocked me as soon. Yeah, about right. It's about right. You traded directly on TradingView? Yeah, it depends what broker I'm using though, bro. Thanks for letting us know. Yeah, all good, man. All good. Plus, it's again. Yeah, it's crazy on. Yeah, one sec, guys. Give us a minute. Sorry, guys. We're back. Big day today, trading 7 p.m. But I'm not trading at 7 p.m. to be honest with you, man. I'm just gonna I'm gonna be trading for like the next hour, and then I've got a few things to do. Do I share my strategy? I share little bits. Like, people have questions, and I share little bits of my strategy. But you won't be able to learn my full strategy just off watching a few live streams. I mean, the only thing, if you want to learn the full strategy quickly and crush it, just sort of like sign up for the mentorship and get involved. But I mean, I do answer questions. Yeah. Best times to trade in the UK? There's no right or wrong time. I mean, you can catch trades at any time, really. You know, 7, 8 p.m., even at like 7, 8 a.m. It really just depends on your schedule, what works best for you. Mm-mm. 7 or 8 p.m. on gold. Yeah, there's guys who work till 4 or 5 and have to trade 6 till 8 or 6 till 9, and you can still catch great positions. You can, like, look at gold, guys. 1 second. I'll show you gold yesterday. This is gold yesterday at 8 o'clock at night. Like, don't tell me that that is not a clean breakout and push. Can anyone vouch for his mentorship here? Yeah, I'm sure there's a few guys in the mentorship here. Quick question on TradingView. Broker always drag and drop loss. Yeah. But yeah, look at the move. Look at the move at 8 o'clock last night. It's like a 850 tick push. You're a breakout trader? Yeah, I trade breakouts, mate. Breakouts of ranges. I'm nicotine and caffeine up already. Nice. Just blown 3 XFAs. Do I look at the 4 hours sometimes? Maybe for like wick fills on the 4 hour can be clean, yeah. Especially if this 4 hour close is bullish, I might take a little buy. I think we're going to probably push into all-time highs. Do I have a watch list? Yeah, just literally gold and Nasdaq. Yeah, gold and Nasdaq. Am I a 1-to-1 trader? 1-to-1 risk to reward? No, my average risk to reward's probably like 1 to 1.4, 1.5. Yeah, 1.4, 1.5. So it's just over a 1-to-1. Would you say 220? No, the main thing that you need to be doing is trading the market. You need to trade the market. Don't trade your risk to reward. There's no right or wrong risk to reward that you should be trading. The main thing that you need to be doing is trading what the market gives you. Because if you start trading your risk to reward, you're just going to be trading with emotions. All right. Ice, how's it going, man? Okay, let's watch this 15 closure here. How many trades per day? 1 to 2. Yeah, 1 to 2 trades per day. James, anything on the mentorship? Send me a DM in Discord, bro. Free telegrams here if you're in the YouTube. There you go. Am I in a trade already? No, I'm not in anything just yet, bro. I need to wait. Stay patient, man. I mean, gold's breaking out kind of slow. It's not really breaking out with any volume or liquidity being taken. It's sort of leaving a lot of liquidity to go and take, which could just be pre-news, but we'll see. I mean, I'm not jumping anything just yet. Da, 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 da. Sean. Oh, really? Yeah, Sean, send me a DM on here, mate. I'll get that sorted for you. There's a lot of sort of applications, so it's hard. Just send me a message on here, bro. I'll get it sorted. Sean, all right? Make sure you DM me here and I'll get back to you. Were you waiting for gold to enter? I'm waiting for gold to potentially close bearish at this level and then look for sells. It's a bit tough right now. There's not much presenting, but we'll see. I'm excited about going traveling again. Yeah. I wouldn't say it's like traveling. It's more of like just leave the UK and stay somewhere that I like. But yeah, I mean, nothing really changes in sort of work. All the work gets done. But yeah, I am looking forward to it. Do I do classes? Yes, I do. I do one-to-one mentorship. Yeah. One-to-one mentorship and group coaching, depending on what you want. I do both. Ba-da-da. How much is one? Go and apply, man. Go and apply for the how much is one-to-one? Yeah, go and apply. JXR, go and apply as well for the mentorship. It takes like 2 minutes. The link is in the TikTok bio. Head over to the TikTok bio, press that link, and then I think it's the second one down. It'll say mentorship application. Just go and apply, and we'll be in touch with you, okay? Yeah, let's see how this 15 closes. Did it take liquidity? It didn't take liquidity. Didn't take liquidity, but there's not been much going on here, to be fair. I mean, it's just sideways Nasdaq, kind of sideways gold. We'll see. I mean, we have got news and US Open coming, so we'll see. Is this London Open now? No, we're switching over into US now. You're going to start seeing quite a bit of volume coming. How do you know if it's a fake out? You don't. That's the thing. You don't know it's a fake out until it actually fakes out. The way to prevent a fake out, there's ways to prevent them. All right. $80 from max limit. Yeah, there's ways to prevent fake outs, guys. You don't know if it's going to fake out or not. When I put an order in, I don't know if it's going to fake me out. The only thing I can do is prevent it as much as possible. Okay, and that's what I do. That's what I do. Da-da-da. And what you think about gold? I don't know. We need to wait, bro. We need to wait, but don't be spamming, man. I don't see anything on gold until we can sort of close on this 15. Hey, you good, Roy? I'm good, man. How are you? How are you? Yeah, I'm gonna give it till like 2 o'clock and go from there, guys. I'll give it like another 20 minutes. And then if nothing presents itself, I'll just trade the rest in the mentorship. Like, in the chats. But there is still potential. There is still potential. Especially on Nasdaq if we can sort of break out of here. It's kind of noisy outside the office today. It's annoying me. It's hard to concentrate. So I'll give it this 15 closure, which is like 22 minutes. Well, we've got this closure and then another 15 minutes after, so it's 22 minutes in total, and then we'll go from there. Guys, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to the TikTok or the YouTube, make sure you drop in a subscribe or a follow. Make sure you're following, subscribing. I appreciate you all. Search it up. Yeah, don't ask me. That's not information I can give. Just research it yourself. Yeah, I'm just going to see how this 15 closes, because this 15 could wick down and close bullish, and then I can buy. That's why I'm staying patient here. Yeah, or a break to the downside for sells on gold. I mean, 30-minute breakout could be nice. There's a lot of potential to try and sell gold here into these lows, and then potentially these lows here. Guys on YouTube, guys on TikTok, sorry. TikTok, guys, if you want to watch my full screen, head over to Joe Trades on YouTube, okay? Same name as my TikTok, just Joe Trades on YouTube. You can watch my full screen there, okay? Cheers for the likes as well, guys. Appreciate you all. Where's my favorite places I've ever visited? Good question. So many different places, mom. I like Vietnam, Thailand, Bali. If I had to pick, it would be either Vietnam or Thailand, and then Bali. But then there's some great places in Europe too. Like, I love Greece, I love Spain, Italy. Never been to the, is that Philippines? Never been to the Philippines, no. Fake out sell, why did I not take it? Because it's not to my plan. YouTube's delayed? No, it's not. It's like 5 to 6 seconds delayed, bro. TikTok's like 2 or 3 seconds. It's not that deep. Last time I checked it were. I don't trade fake outs. No, I don't use it. Like, I don't trade just to fake out to enter the trade. No. I don't just find like a candle that breaks out of a range and fakes out and then trade the opposite direction. No, it needs to sort of do something at that level. And I have to wait for something perfectly at that level to take it. I can't just trade every fake out. It's not that easy. I mean, because like you can try and trade a fake out of a range and then just get chopped about. I prefer to wait. Even though fake outs work really well, I don't personally just trade a fake out. Yeah, we are coming into this level rejecting. I'm just going to wait to see how this 15 closes here, guys, okay? Trading gold, yeah. Trading gold and Nasdaq. 15 closure below on gold could be nice. Below this level for sells. Just wait for that and then trade that range, because that's quite a tradable range down. I found Philippines a lot better than Vietnam. Yeah, fair enough. Where did you go in Vietnam, though? Because, like, if you go to, like, I don't know, Ho Chi Minh, then fair enough. I don't really like Ho Chi Minh. But if you go to, like, Da Nang or Nha Trang, it's probably up there with the best beach spots. Better than Thailand beach spots, if I'm being honest. And that's a big thing to say. So, yeah, if you've just been to Ho Chi Minh, you can't really say you've been to Vietnam, to be honest with you. Because there's, like, Nha Trang, Da Nang, Phu Quoc, like, so many beautiful beach areas. Which are better, for me personally, than Thailand. Cleaner. Not as many people. That's where I went, Ho Chi Minh. Yeah, exactly. It's just busy and not the best. But when you get out of there, it's perfect. Thailand's yeah, I prefer Vietnam. Them Da Nang and Da Trang, them two beaches are up there with the best I've been to. Not many people there as well. It's like I lived in Nha Trang, Vietnam for 4 months. Okay. And it's like nobody wanted to go to the beach. It's like it was just dead there were like nobody there. During the day, it was like 0 people on the beach. Vietnam's safe, yeah, man. Well safe. I used to walk to the shop at like 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. No bother. Yeah, I'm going to wait for this 15 closure, 2 o'clock closure, go from there. If nothing presents itself, I'm going to be done because I've got my hair cut at like 3 o'clock as well, so probably be a no trade day for me. I'm Irish and live in Spain. Best decision ever. Beautiful, man. I would like to live in Spain. I'd like to live in Spain, to be fair. Spain's up there. Spain's up there with somewhere that I'd probably live. I've been there quite a few times. Definitely livable. Definitely livable. Obviously, the Spanish don't like us going there, but yeah, it's definitely livable. First day here, nice. Good to see you, man. Drop a follow, guys, if you've not already. I live in Carlisle. We have a castle. Nice, Duncan. Jealous, my friend. Very few local visits, mostly tourists on the beaches. Yeah, Carlisle's nice, though, to be fair. Haven't been to Dubai yet? No, but it's on the list. It's definitely on the list. Have I been to Koh Samui? Yeah, I've been to Koh Samui 2 times. I love Koh Samui. Yeah, I love Koh Samui is probably one of my best spots. I'd say it's up there with my favorite spot in Thailand. Yeah, Koh Samui and yeah, Koh Samui is cool. Dubai's expensive. Just at the end of the day, have it as a like. My biggest goal when I was becoming full-time in trading and doing what I do was to be able to live anywhere comfortably. I'm in a position now where I could move anywhere in the world and live at least a comfortable life. Like, whether it's Singapore, Dubai, Australia, anywhere in Europe. Yeah. That was my sort of goal, to be able to just go anywhere and just live sort of comfortably. Yeah, Singapore looks class. I want to visit it soon, to be fair. I was literally going to fly there first, but I decided against it. Staying in Europe anyway. Got to staying in Europe just for the times. I mean, I can't really be bothered with missing, like, US session. Yeah, Singapore will probably just be like a week thing, like go for a couple of weeks. I want to stay in Europe until, like, well, just to crush, like, the lives and the mentorship students and stuff. Like, I can't be bothered, like, being 7 hours ahead of people. Like, 2 to 3 hours is perfect. Yeah, I'm going to wait for this 15 closure, and then that's me done. Which country am I in? I'm in the UK, mate. I'm in the UK. I've been in... right, put it this way. This was, like, my timeline. I left the UK for, like, 1.5 years, 2 years. I came back for, like, 3 months. And then I left again for, like, 6 months. And now I've been back for, like, 6 months. And now I'm leaving again. For how long, I don't know. But yeah, I mean, I just come and go whenever. Maybe like 7 months I've been here now. I haven't really been counting. It's not somewhere I count to be like, I'm not really bothered. Like, I don't really want to be here, but going live? Yeah, sure. I go live every day, man. No matter where I am. We are the people of... Yeah, guys, let's watch this 15 closure on YouTube. Guys on TikTok here. Guys on TikTok, I'm going to end the live here, but head over to Joe Trades on YouTube. Okay? And drop a comment when you get there, okay? Joe Trades on YouTube. Same as my name on TikTok. Just type it on YouTube and I'm live there now. So I'll see you there and we'll watch this closure for maybe some longs. Peace out, everyone. Right, guys, on YouTube, we're back. Any questions? Stick them in here now. Am I going to stream from the beach? No. I mean, I've got a beach view, but... I don't know. I don't think I'm going to flex the beach view. There's no need to flex the beach view. Maybe for like a video. I'm here, good to see you, Lewis. What is the game plan? Game plan is wait for this 15 closure. If something sets up, I'll take it. If not, I'm done until I get back to the chart at like 4 o'clock. Yo, Dre, how's it going, man? Good to see you. Welcome. No news day. Yeah, it's all good. 7 o'clock later on. Ahmed, good to see you. Yeah, guys, if you're new to the YouTube, smash smash a like. Smash a like and smash a subscribe as well, guys, because I'm live here every day too. So if you are new to the YouTube, go and smash a subscribe on it. How am I liking the new phone? I've just set it up last night. I got the orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. So yeah, a bit of a zesty color, but I think it's cool. It's actually so clean that the orange. Zesty, I know, but it's right. I don't care. Is that car? It depends. You can do both, mate. You can pay it off in full. You can pay it off in full, or you can do split payments. Best thing to do is go and apply, bro. Main thing. Let me put the link in here for anybody who wants to apply for the mentorship. Here. Guys, there's the link. Go and apply to the mentorship. We'll be in touch with you once you've applied. Could this be a half risk buy? Yes. That's what I'm waiting for, Duncan. If it's half risk buy, I'll take it. Right, let's have a look. Where would TP? It depends how it closes, man. I mean, if it closes like we are now, there's no trading. Yeah, that's right, Hamid. That's right, man. It's 4 months of one-to-ones with me and then lifetime Discord and group coaching access. So you never really lose my help, if that makes sense. You get 4 months of one-to-ones with me and then lifetime group coaching, lifetime Discord access. Any new materials that get added, you'll always get access to them as well. Keep in mind, prices are being increased very shortly. Very, very shortly. Again. Yeah, Hamid, that's what it is, mate. It is one-to-one. It is one-to-one. Just go and apply with that link. Go and apply with that link, bro. Just put in... It takes like 30 to 60 seconds. And at the end, you'll be able to book a call. All calls... all calls are booked up until next Monday. So go to February, guys. At the end, if you can't see any booked calls for January, it's because they're booked up. You need to book in for February now, okay? 1st of Feb, on Monday. Yeah, Hamid, you can do, bro. You can do, but you won't need them. After the 4 months, you won't need them. You definitely won't need them after the 4 months. You'll be after the 4 months, you'll be like at a state where you're consistently profitable. At a stage where you're consistently profitable. Yeah, man, nice. Go and sign up. Like I said, there is a lot of applications, so I mean, best thing to do is go and sign up and book a call. And then we'll see if you're the right fit for the one-to-one, and we'll go from there. Yeah, I might take a 15 buy off this support level. Might take a 15 buy off this support. Do I trust Apex? I think they're fine, yeah. I think Apex are fine. I've seen a lot. I think Apex have paid out like the biggest or the most amount of traders. But yeah, I'm gonna try and maybe take some buys here. Let's see. %90%, yeah, it is because the rules are stupid. The rules don't make sense. If this closes doji, I'm done, guys. I'll be back at 4 o'clock because I got to head out in an hour. Pointless watching sideways PA. Any experience with FTMO? Yeah. I only used FTMO when I like first started. I must have blown like 20 FTMO accounts. I think I passed like 3 of them. Maybe took like 1 payout, but I was unprofitable then. I mean, if I used them now, then I probably would be... Well, I would be. Obviously, I would be making money with them. But I don't use any Forex accounts now. So it's like... Yeah. Yeah, I'm waiting for this closure. Let's see. We've got a minute. I'm just getting this sort of ready. I mean, if it doesn't close bullish, I'm done until 4 o'clock. I'll have a little look in 2 hours. All right, let's see if this can bottom wick. And then once it bottom wicks, maybe I can get a buy stop in here. Just to play this a little bit. Maybe just play the range here. I mean, it is getting a little bit choppy, but it's the only trade I can see that I'm going to be able to take. So let's see if this can bottom wick. If it bottom wicks, I'll put a buy stop in. If it doesn't, I'm done. Yeah, crazy. I mean, yeah, what would that be? 47 ticks already. It's so big ranges. Right, guys, yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I'm going to be watching these 2 levels here. This is my range, and I'm probably not going to be trading for the next hour or 2 because I got to nip out in like 30 to 40 minutes. But I'm going to set some alerts here and some alerts here. And if I can get a closure to the downside, I'll take some sells. If I can get a closure to the upside, I'll take some buys, okay? That is the plan. I'm watching this range, and I'm going to go from there, okay? But that's me, guys. If you're new to the stream on YouTube, please do drop a subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you tomorrow. No trades for me so far today, but all-time highs price action. We're just chopping. Remember, we do have news in 5 hours, so trade safe. And yeah, see you tomorrow, guys, anyway. And like I say, if you do want to join the mentorship, there is the link to apply, okay? Go and check it out. Go and apply, and we'll be in touch, okay? Peace out, guys. Much love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.